Hello friends, this video on vector algebra part 22 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Before watching this video, please make sure that you have watched part 1 to part 21. Let's take one more example. The example says that if ABC are the vertices of the triangle ABC with this points given, we have to find angle ABC. That is, if I have this ABC, three sides of the triangle, and the points are given for A, that is 1, 2, 3, B minus 1, 0, 0, and C 0, 1, 2. I have to find the angle ABC, this guy. That means I have to find the angle between vector BA or AB, you can say, and BC. Correct? I have to find angle between B and BC. So to find angle between B and BC, what I know that BA dot BC is equal to mod of BA into mod of BC vector into cos theta. If I know BA vector, I know BC vector, I can find these two very easily, and thus I can find cos theta also. Correct. So let's find BA vector first. My BA vector will be nothing but vector A minus vector B. Correct. How? We know that if this is B, this is A. Let's suppose this is origin, right? So if this guy is vector B, this guy is vector A. BA vector is this vector, right? So B vector plus BA vector is equal to A vector. B vector plus BA vector is equal to A vector, or you get BA vector is A vector minus B vector. Correct? If this is the origin, this guy is B vector, this guy is A vector, BA vector, this guy is A vector. So I got BA vector is A vector minus B vector. A vector is 1i, 2j, 3k. There is I plus 2j plus 3k minus B vector is this guy minus I plus 0j plus 0k. Right? Minus I plus 0j plus 0k. This is nothing but 2I plus 2j plus 3k. This is my BA vector. Similarly, I have to find BC vector. So BC vector will be again C vector minus B vector. Same panda. So what is C vector? 0I, 2j, 3k. 0I plus 1j plus 2k. Correct? 0i, 1j, 2k minus B vector. B vector is same again. 0i minus I, 0j, 0k. That is minus I vector only. And this is nothing but, if you see, I vector plus j vector plus 2k vector. So this guy is my BC. So I have BA, I have BC. Second thing, I have to find BA dot BC. Correct? So my BA dot BC vector will be nothing but 2i, 2j, 3k, 2i plus 2j plus 3k dot I plus j plus 2k, I plus j plus 2k. And this is nothing but 2 into 1 is 2 plus 2 into 2, 1 is 2, and 3 into 2 is 6 plus 6. That is 10. So my BA dot BC is 10. Now I have to find magnitude of BA, magnitude of BC. So magnitude of BA is nothing but, my BA vector is this, root of 2 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. That is root of 2 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. That is root of 4 plus 4 plus 9. That is root of 70. Similarly, I have to find this guy, BC. BC is nothing but root of 1 square, 1 square, 2 square. 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square. That is root of 1 plus 1 plus 4. That is root of 6. Now let me apply this equation now. This equation say BA dot BC, that is 10. 10 is equal to mod of magnitude of BA, that is root 17. Magnitude of BC, that is root 16. 6 into cos theta. With this I get cos theta as 10 by root 17 into 6, that is root 102, or I get theta as cos inverse 10 by root 10, and that is my answer. Correct? So it was not that difficult question. The only thing is to understand that since you have to find angle ABC, I have to first find BA vector, BC vector, and then finding angle is very simple because BA dot BC is equal to magnitude of BA into magnitude of BC into cos theta. BA dot BC is easy to find. I found that because I have BA vector, I have BC vector. Magnitude of BA is also easy to find because I have BA vector. Magnitude of BC is also easy to find because I have BC vector. I put all this value in this equation and got this value of cos theta. Let's take one more example. We have to show that these points are collinear. So if the points are collinear, what does it mean? It means that if I say 3 points are collinear, let's suppose A, B and C are collinear, they are lying in the same line, that means AB plus BC will be AC. Correct? AB plus BC will AC. That means sum of two sides is equal to third side. If this is true, that means these three sides are collinear. Correct? So let's find the vector AB, vector BC and vector CA. Correct? AB, BC and AC. Let's find AC. And then we'll find the magnitude of these vectors, that is magnitude of vector AB, magnitude of vector BC and magnitude of vector AC. If I can prove that sum of these two is equal to third, that means all these are collinear. Correct? Because if these 3 points are collinear, that means these side plus these side is equal to third side. So let's find AB vector. AB vector is B vector minus A vector. What is B vector? 2i 6j 3k. 2i plus 6j plus 3k minus A vector 1i 2j 7k. I plus 2j plus 7k. Correct? And that is nothing but 2 minus 1 is 1, that is I plus, let's take the j part, 6 minus 2 is 4, 4j. Let's take the k part, 3 minus 7 is minus 4, is minus 4k. So this is my AB vector. Similarly, let's find BC vector. BC vector will be C vector minus B vector. Correct? So if you are confused how come BC is C minus B, watch the previous examples where we explain how this is done. So C vector is what? 3i 10j minus k. 3i plus 10j minus k. Minus B vector 2i 6j 3k. 2i plus 6j plus 3k. Right? This is nothing but 3 minus 2 is 1. 10 minus 6 is 4. J and k is minus k minus 3 is minus 4k. The minus 4k. Correct? Similarly, let's find AC vector. This will be C vector minus A vector. C vector is this guy only. Let's write C vector 3i plus 10j minus k. And A vector is I plus 2j plus 7k. I plus 2j plus 7k. This becomes 3 minus 1 is 2i. 10 minus 2 is 8j. Minus k minus 7 is minus 8k. Now let's find magnitude of AB. This guy will become root of 1 square 4 square 4 square, right? 1 square plus 4 square plus 4 square, that is root of 1 plus 16 plus 16, that is root of 33. Let's find magnitude of BC. It will be again root of 1 square 4 square 4 square. 1 square plus 4 square plus 4 square, same value, so you will get root 33. Let's find AC magnitude. That will be root of 2 square 8 square 8 square. 2 square plus 8 square plus 8 square, that is root of 4 plus 32 plus 32, that is nothing but root of 64 plus 4, this is 64, sorry, 64 plus 64, and this is 4, 124, 8 plus 4, 132, and this is nothing but 2 root 33. Now if you can see that this guy plus this guy, if you add these two guys, you get this guy, correct? That is magnitude of AB plus magnitude of BC is equal to magnitude of BC, and that's what you wanted to prove. And this proves that this A, B, C are collinear because they lie in the same line, so AB plus BC is equal to AC, correct? Thank you. Visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thanks once again.